If you suffer from chronic or acute pain, don't make the mistake of simply treating the symptoms. You want to get to the root of the problem to start living pain-free. And for that, I recommend a visit to Physical Medicine Associates. Physical Medicine Associates provides a comprehensive approach to alleviating pain using the most current non-surgical treatment options available. Physical Medicine Associates is helping hundreds of patients enjoy pain-free lives. So, Dr. Klein, tell me a little bit about your whole body approach to treatment.
Well, what we do is we really look at the patient as a whole. We care about symptoms. We want those symptoms to go away. But our goal is to find out what the cause of those symptoms are. That way the problem really goes away and stays away. So what we do is we have a whole body approach. We take a look from top all the way to the bottom to see if we can find out exactly what is causing the symptoms so that we can customize a plan to what helps. After each examination, all of our practitioners get together the next day and we look at x-rays, we look at physical exam findings, look at that patient individually and customize a plan based on what we have found to what we think is going to be the best to help them.
And what different modalities do you have available to you?
We have chiropractic care, exercise therapy, massage therapy, and then we have the medical added who can do a large range of medical treatments that are holistic to the body, that are helping the body, not tearing the body down.
Are there typical conditions or injuries that you see more than others?
We're seeing a lot of knee pain as well as low back pain, mid back pain, neck pain, shoulder dysfunction, torn rotator cuffs, torn meniscus in the knees, as well as migraine headaches.
We inject into the sinuses numbing medicine, and we also inject into the neck trigger points, and we find that using this combination of treatments actually makes the migraines better, and in some cases it only takes one time. If the migraine does come back or the headache comes back, it usually only comes back to a 5 or so, and so it's more easily manageable.
2 months ago I had my first treatment. I had a severe migraine. I was probably at about a 9 on the pain scale out of 10. Within 20 minutes it had dropped down to about a 3. In the past I had about 2 to 3 severe migraines in a week. Since starting my treatments about 2 months ago, I've only had 1 severe migraine.
I understand that a lot of the therapies you provide are very physical and hands-on, but there's also a medicine part of your practice. What is that?
So what we've decided to do is to bring in medicine that's going to be able to help the body to really rebuild and get to the root of some issues. So we offer things like trigger point injection. Trigger points are those knots in your muscles that have been there for a really long time and really cause a lot of pain and ends up causing chronic conditions. So we're able to really get into the root of that issue and make some changes.
The trigger point injection is fairly simple. We cleanse the skin, we numb it up with some very cold spray, and we do an injection with a very fine needle that helps break up the trigger point and relax it. The rapid release is a vibration gun that's used over top of the injection site to help enhance the effect of the trigger point injection. For some patients we see relief even with the very first treatment, and for others we see some relief that continues to improve with further treatments.
We also offer things like regenerative cell therapy, which is going to include things like stem cell injections and PRP injections, which are really shown to regenerate and restore the body's ability to function.
PRP is platelet-rich plasma therapy. We draw your own blood, spin it down in a centrifuge, and then draw off the appropriate portion that stimulate your body to regenerate its own tissue. Then we inject the PRP back into the area that's being treated.
So why has this practice decided to take a strictly surgery-free, chemical-free approach to pain relief?
So our goal is really to restore the body's ability to function. A lot of times when pain medications and other things and surgeries are used, it ends up causing other issues down the road. Every medication has a side effect. So our goal is to do things that are really going to make it to where we get to the root and fix it without having those negative effects on the body.
Enjoy pain-free living with the help of Physical Medicine Associates. For more information and a complete list of therapies available, visit physmedofgainesville.com.